Hello and welcome, dear followers. Today, we're going to make economical Rishband sweets without butter, a delicious recipe that's perfect for Eid. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support us with likes and shares so we can always bring you the best recipes. Let's start with the ingredients. In a bowl, we put 4 eggs and a packet of vanilla, along with 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of oil. We mix all these ingredients very well until the texture is smooth. After that, we add a pinch of salt and about 1 kilogram of flour, or as needed for the mixture, and 2 packets of baking powder. All ingredients will be listed in the description box in Arabic, French, and English.
Tous les ingrédients seront répertoriés dans la boîte de description en arabe, en français et en anglais.
Here are 10 invaluable tips to help you achieve pastry perfection. 1. Start with quality ingredients. The foundation of any great pastry is high-quality ingredients. From premium butter to fresh eggs and top-notch flour, using the best ingredients you can afford will greatly enhance the flavor and texture of your pastries. 2. Keep it cool. When working with pastry dough, it's essential to keep your ingredients cold. Chilled butter and ice water help create those sought-after flaky layers that make pastries irresistible. For decoration, we'll need some jam, orange blossom water, and powdered coconut. After taking the sweets out of the oven, we dip them in the jam mixture, then coat them in coconut powder, and roll them well to get beautiful, soft sweets. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of pastry making. With practice and a little patience, you'll soon be creating bakery-worthy pastries that will impress family and friends alike. So roll up your sleeves, preheat that oven, and get ready to bake up a storm of delicious delights. Enjoy the experience, try it for Eid, and don't forget to share the recipe with your loved ones.